Perfume is not just a fragrance, but a feeling that can enchant even our soul. Today, all kinds of perfumes and deodorants are made using it. But do you know how the Ittar, traditional perfume, which has been used for thousands of years, is made? If not, then come along with me. Without any delay, let's begin. I'll show you how the Ittar of the first rain's earthy fragrance is made, and you'll be amazed to see it. To make the earthy Ittar, a special type of soil called gil is used. This soil comes from Kannauj, near Kanpur. This land has a unique fragrance. First, the soil is dried and then cooked on a low flame to extract its natural aroma. After that, this gil soil is filled into large pots, which are then placed in a traditional vessel called deg. Here, the fragrance of the soil is extracted through a process called deg bhabka, also known as the hydrodistillation process. Once all the soil is placed inside the deg, the next step is to seal it. For this, wet soil is taken and rolled into a long, snake-like shape. You can see here how it's flattened slightly and then wrapped around the mouth of the deg first. The mouth of the deg is moistened with water, and then this wet soil is carefully applied all around the edges to seal it tightly. Now, the lid of the deg is placed and hammered firmly to ensure it's completely sealed. A handle is also attached and pressed down securely. Water is poured over the top to further seal the lid. On the other side, a surahi, a small flask, is placed inside a water tank. This is where our Ittar will eventually collect. A bamboo pipe is used to transfer the fragrant vapor from the deg to the surahi. First, the pipe is cleaned with water, then one end is fitted into the surahi, and the other end is connected to the deg. The surahi is tilted slightly and placed securely. Water is then poured into both the outer tank and the deg. You can see here how buckets of water are being poured into the deg. The amount of water depends on the quantity of soil used. Once everything is sealed and filled with water, the next step is to light the fire beneath the deg. A pile of wood is set ablaze and the deg is left to heat for 24 to 32 hours. Throughout this time, wood is added gradually to maintain the heat. The steam carrying the fragrance travels through the pipe and condenses into the surahi. After the process is complete, the surahi is carefully removed from the water tank. The water tank keeps the surahi cool, preventing the fragrant steam from escaping. The surahi is then tilted and hung upside down to separate the Ittar from the water. Did you know? From 20 liters of water, only 2 grams of Ittar is produced. That's why it's so precious. The price of this earthy Ittar is around 1 lakh rupee per kilogram. Here, you can see our Ittar is finally ready. If you'd like to order some, you can get 100% pure Ittar from them. Let me know in the comments how you liked this video.